everyone. Start off by taking multiple shells and then take a marker. Color each of these shells in different colored markers. Now we have chosen to take the color yellow and purple, and now we are making spots out of the purple marker. Now do the same with blue and white as well. We have chosen blue, white and pink as such. Decorate them as you please, then take a purple sheet of paper, make multiple slits on it, stick it on a piece of paper and then add the shells. Now we will be learning how to make these chicks. Start off by taking a yellow ball of clay, add the body and then the head. Now take a tissue paper, using marker, color the entire tissue paper using this marker. Make small strips out of this tissue paper and then insert it into the clay that you have already added on the sheet of paper. Then add a little beak as well as the legs and some eyes. Add vines coming from the top and then add small little worms on the ground and other details. Next, start off by taking 2 pine cones. Then take a branch and then stick these branches onto a white sheet of paper. Onto the pine cones, add some yellow clay and then make the eyes out of it. Add the beak and the top as well. You may use the wings using orange clay. Stick multiple of these all over your sheet of paper. Now, take multiple shells of peanuts and then taking a brown paper, make the bark of a tree. Stick this onto a circular white sheet of paper. Then, taking the peanut shells that you have taken, paint them in any color that you like. We have chosen red and yellow and stick them all around the bark. At the bottom, stick some glue and then stick some leaves to make it look like the ground. You may also make a small little chick at the bottom. Now take multiple leaves and then stick them all at the bottom as such. Stick them slightly overlapping as such. Make sure that you do so in different colors and then cut off the excess. Take an unevenly cut sheet of paper and then at the top, using a pencil, slightly shade it. Shade it in a V shape so that it looks like mountains and then add birds. Take multiple small leaves and then take a slightly bigger leaf. Taking the slightly bigger leaf, make the body of a bird. Now taking the multiple small leaves, add the rest of the bird, that is the portion of the wings. This will be a peacock. Add the small details and then add the top. Now, taking multiple pebbles, start off by taking a marker and then paint it using all of these colors. Take the first one and only paint a half of it. As for the second half of it, paint it in blue. Make multiple layers if needed. Now add polka dots to the top and then make a small little house out of this pebble. You may do this with multiple pebbles in different colors and make different styled houses out of them. After you are done with this, arrange them at the bottom and then stick them together. Next, trace out the shape of your hand onto a sheet of paper. Make the bottom flat and then add a door and windows to each of the fingers. Color it in peach or any other color that you like. Then color in the windows and the doors as well. Take a red ball of clay and then make it into a triangle shape and flatten it using any flat surface. Do this for all of the fingers. At the bottom, spread grass using some green clay. Make a snail using clay as well and make sure to add in the details. You may add little flowers all about. Now, to make a bookcase, start off by taking a sheet of paper and then stick it on a white circular sheet of paper. Now, take a green sheet of paper, fold it over multiple times and then cut out a leaf shape out of it. In front of the paper that you have initially stuck in, stick multiple leaves. Then, crush up a paper and then using glue, stick it in the middle. Do this with different colors and there you have yourself a bouquet. Add a little tag at the top. Now we'll be learning how to make these multiple chicks. Start off by taking a marker and then draw on branches onto a white circular sheet of paper. Taking a pink ball of clay, make multiple small ones, arrange them in a circular shape, make multiple small flowers out of it. Add a yellow center to each of them. Add a chick to the bottom as well. Make multiple of these chicks and then draw on the beak and the eyes and the other small body parts. Don't forget to add the water ripples and the grass on either side. Now, start off by taking a large leaf and then cut out the shape of the hoodie of a girl. After you have cut out the shape, stick it on a white circular sheet of paper and then continue to draw the hair and the rest of the body of this girl. At the bottom, draw the boots and the legs as well. Draw on the hands and the other small details. At the top, thank you for watching.